Did you know your gut is home to over 100 trillion microorganisms? This invisible world inside you controls far more than just digestion. It regulates 70% of your immune system and produces 90% of your body's serotonin. Poor gut health rarely announces itself with obvious symptoms. Instead, it manifests through a constellation of issues like chronic fatigue, brain fog, food sensitivities, skin problems, and unexplained weight changes. If you experience multiple symptoms, your gut may be the root cause. What's destroying your gut? The five primary threats are a poor diet lacking in fiber, environmental toxins, and heavy metals, chronic stress and poor sleep, certain medications like antibiotics and NSAIDs, and pathogenic overgrowth. The most effective approach to gut healing follows the 4R protocol. First, remove gut irritants and toxins. Second, replace digestive enzymes and stomach acid. Third, reinoculate your microbiome with probiotics and prebiotics. And fourth, repair the intestinal lining. Healing your gut takes time, but our 4-week action plan provides a step-by-step roadmap. By systematically addressing the root causes and supporting your body's natural healing capacity, you can restore optimal gut health and whole body vitality. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to click the link in the description below to read our complete guide to gut health and microbiome optimization today.